Hello, welcome back. Grab one dumbbell and let's get started. We're gonna focus on lower body functional strength, getting some strength. So let's work. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. The first one we're gonna do air drills with lunge and press ups. Left, right, we're gonna do 8. Grab, take a deep breath. Here we go, nice and smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6 more. 1, push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, not bad. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Moving forward, the next one we're gonna do single leg squat and then backward to lunge. Squat and then backward to lunge. Starting from the left. Up. Let's work. First, with the right one, lunge back. 1, we're gonna do 10. 2, 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest, take a deep breath. We're gonna switch leg. The right one, breathe. Okay, here we go, the right one. Same thing. And lunge backward, step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, breathe. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. The next one, we're gonna do sumo squats, toes outside, heels inside. We're gonna grab, we're gonna squat 12, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, the next one, we're gonna push from our arms up in the same time working with our core. So grab a dumbbell, lie down in the back, straight legs in front, elbows on the ground. From here, we're gonna drive your legs down and push up and back. 20. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, keep pushing. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and up. Awesome, take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one, we're gonna do some crunch, left, right, with the dumbbell on our hands. Keep your lower back straight, grab, and let's work. Left, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, up. From here, we can do some bicycle. Arms on the ground, plank position, legs straight. From here, we're gonna bend the right knee forward and then switch with the left. Here we go, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down dog. Breathe in down dog. We're gonna rest. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. We're gonna do one more set of this 5. RDLs with lunge and shoulder press. Then we're gonna do lunge with squat. Then we have sumo squat. Then we have arms with core. And then we have Russian twist. Here we go. 16, 8 on each side. Here we go. Grab. Let's work RDLs. Right leg goes backwards, so arms pushing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, keep working. 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one, we're gonna squat, left, right, 10 and 10. Ooh, not bad. Sunny, partly cloudy, partly sunny. Okay, left one, let's work. Right leg drives backwards and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, breathe. I'm gonna switch side. Turn on the right leg, and now we're gonna continue. Here we go, the right one. And up. And lunge backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Good one. Then we're gonna do sumo squat 12. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. 12. Toes outside. Let's squat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Awesome. Breath. We're gonna press, adding core 20. And grab, lie down, elbows on the ground, straight legs, let's push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, flat back. 1, push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Okay. Twists. Let's try to do 20. Left, right. Here we go. Up. And keep your back straight. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Quick stretch. We go straight into down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg in front, left leg on the ground. With your right arm, you're gonna bend. Grab your left foot, stretch your quads a little bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch. Left one. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Okay, quick one, my friends. Take your dumbbell and work out. Don't complain, life is beautiful. Peace out.